Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is my journey as a teacher. I was born in a small village where education was not given much importance, especially for girls. However, my life took a new direction when I reached the 8th class. It was then that I met an English teacher who changed my perspective on learning and teaching. The way she explained lessons, her patience, and her passion for teaching inspired me deeply. I decided that one day I too would become a teacher and help others the way she helped me. Inspired my teacher, I started teaching at an early age. At first, I taught my younger siblings and neighbors. Teaching them gave me confidence and a sense of purpose. I realized that teaching was not just about sharing knowledge, but also about inspiring and guiding students. Every time I saw a child understand a new concept, I felt immense satisfaction. As my love for teaching grew, I knew that become a better teacher, I needed to improve my own education. Despite challenges, I worked hard and completed my BS in English. Studying literature and language depended my understanding of communication, storytelling, and the power of words. I learned how language can open doors to opportunities and change lives. My journey was not always easy. Coming from a village, I faced many obstacles such as limited resources, financial difficulties, and societal expectations. There were times when I doubted myself, but my passion for teaching kept me going. The belief that I could make a difference in students' lives gave me strength. After completing my education, I officially stepped into the world of teaching. The classroom became my second home. Every student I taught reminded me of my own struggles and dreams. I made it my mission to not only teach English but also to inspire confidence in my students. I encourage them to dream big and believe in their abilities. Through my journey, I have learned that a teacher is more than just an educator. A teacher is a guide, a mentor, and sometimes even a friend. Patience, kindness, and dedication are the key qualities of a good teacher. I have also realized that education has the power to transform lives just as it transformed my. Today, as I continue my journey as a teacher, I feel grateful for the path I chose. Teaching is not just my profession, it's my passion. I dream of helping more students, especially those from rural backgrounds, to achieve their goals. I want to continue growing as a teacher and make a lasting impact on the lives of my students. My journey from a village girl to a teacher has been filled with challenges and achievements. The inspiration I received from my 8th class teacher shaped my future. Now, as a teacher myself, I hope to pass on that inspiration to my students. Teaching has given my life meaning, and I am proud to be a part of this noble profession. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon with another similar video. Until next time, goodbye.